Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to track your EB order. So if you wish to track your EB order, you have to first of all log in into your account. And when you're logged into your account here, you could go to your order section or the purchase history section, which is usually going to be on your profile in the top right hand side corner, or you could go to your EB and here you can go ahead and tap on the purchase history. When you do that, it's going to take you to the page where it's going to show you the list of information regarding your orders. And likewise, under it, if you have recently ordered some product, then you'll be able to see the status. And that's the way you can track your order. However, if you don't want to do this procedure, you can also do another easy way. Open up a new tab, and then on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in www.ebay.com/help buying shipping delivery track item. I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. And when you type in the following link, it's going to take you to the page where you can directly go and track your item. So by tapping on the option that says track your item, and here it's going to ask you to provide in the confirmation number in order to track your order, and accordingly when you've done entering the information, you'll be able to receive, or you'll be able to see the track, you'll be able to track your order. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.